Meaning of grammar translation method.
Grammar translation method.
Grammar translation method.
Grammar translation method.
Grammar translation method. The grammar translation method is an approach to language teaching that was popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It involves memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary lists and then translating between the target language and the learner's native language. The focus is on accuracy rather than communicative ability, and little attention is given to pronunciation or speaking. This method has been criticized for being ineffective in producing fluent speakers and for neglecting the communicative aspects of language learning.